Good morning, Southern Tennessee Mom here. Today we're going to make some blueberry muffins. And as you can see here, I've already sprayed my muffin pan. I have a 24 cupcake muffin pan here. I put my liners in and I've already sprayed them with the butter cooking spray. So how we're going to get started with this, I have two different cake mixes. I'm only using the white and the yellow only because I don't have any more of the yellow cake mix, but it's fine, you won't be able to tell the difference. So I'm going to use two cake mixes. Now you can use both yellow, both white, whatever you choose. But like I said, it's not going to matter. It's not going to change the taste of it or anything like that. Open up my package. Just put it in my cake mix. I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients up just a little bit. Just kind of mix both cake mixes up together. So I have good solid foundation. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to take a half a cup of flour. This is self-rising flour. It's a half a cup. I'm going to add that to it. I have 4 tablespoons of just white sugar. Now, if you want to, if you don't want to add the flour, you can add, and sugar, you can add just 1 box of the, like a pudding mix, like a vanilla pudding mix, and it'll do the same thing. It's going to add a little sweetness to the muffins. I've got a whole cup of I've got 2% milk here. Now you can use whatever kind of milk you want to use. I've got 2%. I have 2 tablespoons of just regular vanilla extract. I have a half a cup of melted butter. And then I've got a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce. The applesauce, if you don't want a lot of oil or a lot of butter in your bacon, you can add applesauce in place of the oil. And it won't change the taste of the mixture. It just provides less oil. You don't have to use it. I have replaced the oil altogether with applesauce. So you're gonna have a kind of a thick mixture, and that's what you want. Keep stirring this so I can get everything stirred in. Now we're going to make blueberry muffins, and the trick to blueberry muffins is if you want to use fresh blueberries, that's great. They're not in season right now where I live, or you can use canned blueberries. I have some frozen blueberries. The trick to use the frozen is, now you can let them thaw all the way out if you want, but so they don't bleed into the batter, or you can just put them in straight from the freezer, frozen, and they won't bleed into the batter. add just that is too thick. I'm going to add another cup of milk. So you're going to have a total of 2 cups of milk in this. So I want it thick, but I don't want it too thick because we still have to add our blueberries. Oh, that's better already. Now, if you are allergic to milk or you can't use milk, you can substitute the milk for water. It won't change the taste. It'll be just fine. I've done that many times when I was out of milk. Or you can use canned evaporated milk if you want. It's your choice. Alright, that's better. You can say that's better. That's still thick, but you can work with it. It's not too thick. Alright, now let me get my blueberries from the freezer. Now here are my blueberries straight from the freezer. I'm going to add a cup at a time. And you just want to go ahead and add this bag. That's about, I don't know about you, but I like a lot of blueberries in mine. And this part is called folding in. You're not really mixing the blueberries, you're just gonna folding them into the mixture. You're not really pressing hard. So I've got about 4.5 cups here I'm putting in here. We're just going to go ahead and use all of it. I've already got the oven heated at 350. These will cook for about 20-25 minutes to 30 minutes, just until they're golden brown. You don't want to mix it too much. I think that's good. So now I've just got a little scoop here. You can use a spoon if you prefer. But I'm just going to scoop some into the little muffin liners here. And you can do a third of way up or halfway, whatever you choose. I feel mine kind of full because I don't mind if it has a dome on the top. I rather like that because I'm not going to be decorating these. If I was going to be decorating these, yes, I would have want it flat on the surface, but I'm not going to decorate these. These are going out as they are. had enough for 2 more cupcakes. So this batch will make 26 cupcakes. We're going to put them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. We'll check them, of course, and I'll show you when they're done. And here they are. They are done. And I've just got a regular toothpick. I've already poked a couple, but I'm just going to poke it, and if there's no residue of cake mix or anything like that, they're done. I'm actually going to give them just a couple more minutes because you can see that little bit of cake on it, so, or the mixture. So we're going to give it just a couple more minutes, and then I'll show you what the results. A couple more minutes. So they have cooked for a total of 37 minutes on, I'm sorry, 33 minutes on at 350. So at 350, it is cooking a little slower. Oh yeah, they're done. There's no cake flour or anything on those. They're done. So they're good and golden brown. So we're gonna enjoy these, and I'll cut one open so you can see what it looks like. Okay. I want you to look at all those blueberries. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Goodbye.